is resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello friends, this is Shreyans Kothari and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of S. Chand Academy. Yes, you have landed the right place because here we are with the video solution of Quantitative Aptitude. Man, this is the book. This is the book you need for any examination. I think the most comprehensive book for Quantitative Aptitude in any competition. You name the competition exam. You want to go for UPSC, it is there. You want to go for bank, you want to go for SSC, railways, campus recruitments, whatever you want to go for, just go for this book first. And this book is a gateway for all the competition examination. आपको क्या करना है? This channel provides you a lot of video solutions. The basic concept we follow is we just clear the concept first and we take some of the questions from the chapters so that you get everything about that chapter in a single video. अगर आपके पास book नहीं है, अभी जाइए book लीजिए. But this video can act as a standalone video because by using this video, by viewing this video, the chapter will be clear itself. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting time, let's move to the chapter. So here we go with the chapter number 4, that is simplification. Today we are here with the chapter simplification. What is simplification? Simplification is जब कोई equation दे रखी हो and you do it more simplified manner. You find the answer of question mark or x. This is the general interpretation of students. See, this type of question generally comes in exam for SSC, banks and other exams also in CDS, NDA. What we need to do is, we need to do basic calculation and follow a basic rule. What are the rules? How can we do the calculations? Let's move on to the chapter simplification. Here we go. This part is from the book itself. Let's see what does it say. It says BOD-MAS rule. It is very important rule and I am very much sure that you must have read it. You must have applied it also. What is BOD-MAS? This rule depicts that correct sequence in the which operations are to be executed so as to find out the value of given expression, and you must follow this rule. Without following this rule, I don't think it will be easy for you to get to the right answer, because if you don't follow this rule, if you say for example follow the rule of left to right or any other rule, there are huge chances that you might land up to the wrong answer, right? B stand for bracket. So the first thing you need to operate on or the calculate is bracket. After that you have this O, that is off. D is division, M is multiplication, A is for addition, and finally the last thing is S is for subtraction. As in simplifying an expression, first of all the bracket must be removed strictly in the order of like first the small brackets, then the curly bracket, then the square brackets. In this order only. First the innermost one, then the curly ones, the middle brackets, and finally the square brackets. In this order you must follow the bracket rule, right? After removing the brackets, we must use the following operations strictly in this order only. First is off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, and that is why it is known as BOD-MAS rule. Very, very important rule. Very, very important. Right. What is modulus of a real number? See, mod, we call it mod or modulus. See, modulus of a real number is number A is defined as mod A will be A if A is greater than 0, minus A if it is less than 0. So basically mod is the operation in which we remove the subtraction part. Whatever the value is, either it is minus A or plus A, we need to do it A only. Say for example 5, mod 5 is 5. Mod minus 5 is minus of this. So minus into minus is plus. So mod is a filter where minuses are removed. Mod is a filter, minuses are removed. Just remember this line, right? Vernaculum, or we call it as a bar. You have just seen somewhere 0.9 bar. So if there is a bar or a vernaculum in it, when an expression contains vernaculum, before applying the bod mass, even before the bod mass, you must remove this vernaculum first. We have to simplify this expression under the vernaculum. That is again on a higher priority. First vernaculum, then bod mass. You need to remember all the basic rules of calculation. So let's move on to next part. Here we can see a lot of formulas. All these are algebraic expression, and you must remember. See, a plus b whole square, I am sure you know it very well. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. These are the basic formulas we learned somewhere in class 8th or 9th, right? Then what is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? If you add these two, you get 2a square plus b square. Why? Because this plus 2ab and minus 2ab get cancelled out. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is always 4ab, because others gets cancelled out. A square minus b square, we many a times we apply this formula. A minus b, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Very important, right? A plus b whole cube is a cube b cube, 3ab a plus b, a cube plus b cube, 3ab a plus b. Just write these formula in copy once, twice, thrice, 4 times, so that it gets easily into your mind. A minus b whole square is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. All the minuses. A cube plus b cube. If you have a cube different and b cube different, then it is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b a square minus ab plus b square. In the similar way, a minus b whole cube is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square, right? What is the whole square? A plus b plus c ka whole square. So we have a square b square c square 2 ab bc ca. That's it. Very simple. And if it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, then we have a square b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So you can see it very easily that all the formulas are balanced ones, all are synergized, synchronized. So I don't think it will be a big problem for you to remember all these. As I told you, write all the formulas once, twice, thrice, 4 times and try to remember this. रटने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप 2-3 बार 4 बार उसे पढ़ेंगे, समझेंगे and will do some questions, बहुत अच्छे से लंबे समय तक याद रहेंगे. सेट थ्योरी का भी पोर्शन इस बुक में दे रखा है. So I just need to make you understand, right? For any two sets A and B का 2 sets है. So this is part is A minus B. You can see that this portion is A minus B and this portion is B minus A, and there is some part which is A intersected to B. That is the middle part, the common part, right? So if you want to say what is NA, so you can see it very well. What is NA? That is NA minus B plus NA intersection B. NA minus B, NA intersection B. In the similar fashion, in the similar way, NB is equal to B minus A plus this. What is NA union B? A union B means we have NA minus B plus NA intersection B plus NB minus A. You can see like that. Or in a simple manner, you can say NA minus NA and B. You can call it NA, this is NB minus this, because that will be counted twice. So minus this. So these are the set theory part. You should also know that also. Now let's do some questions and get to know कि किस तरह से questions आते हैं, एग्जाम में कौन से questions आते हैं, simplified manner में क्या करना है, कहाँ tricks apply कर सकते हैं. Let's get on to the questions. Here we go. Question number 1 from the RBI pre-2020, very recent question. It says that 1200 plus 568 divided by 8 minus 35 is equal to what? So, if you go from left to right, you must have added this. 1200 hai, 568 hai, just add them. No way. You need to follow the bod mass theory. So, first 1200 plus 568 divide by 8, because the most prior, or you can say the prior most symbol you need to do first, the operation you need to do first is divide, division. Minus 35 is equal to question mark. So 7 and 1, because it is like 8 into 7 is 56 and 8 into 1 is 8. So now we have, now this again we need to calculate this first. So we calculate 1200 plus 71 minus 35. So if we do 1271 minus 35, we have got 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, so 1, 2, 3 and 6. Is there any option like 1, 2, 3 and 6? Yes, we do have 1, 2, 3 and 6. So अगर हमने बॉड मास को फॉलो नहीं किया होता, आंसर गलत आने की चांसेस थे और शायद आ ही जाते अगर हम कुछ और कर लेते या फिर नहीं आते आंसर. So we have options with us. It will be easier for us. Just stick to bod mass. Here we go to the next question. Next question, IBPS Clerical 2019, a recent question for you. We write this verse 22 divide by 4 plus 4 minus 22 divide by 5 minus 5 is equal to question mark, right? Now we need to find out this. First we do is 22 by 4 plus 4 minus 22 by 5 minus 5 is equal to question mark, right? The very important part you need to understand is, अगर आपने इसको सोचा होगा 5 minus 5 0 कर दो, 4 plus 4 8 कर दो, तो आपने definitely गलती सोचा होगा, because we need strictly follow bod mass. That's it. So what we'll do is we do just one thing. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, पहले इसका LCM ले लेते हैं 20, because 4 and 5 is 20. 5 into 22 plus 4 into 20 minus 22 into 4 minus 20 into 5. Why so? See, 20 is the LCM, 20 divided by 4 is 5, so 5 into 22. 20 divided by 1 is 20, again 20 into 4 is 40 into 20. Now this 20 into 5 divided by 5 is 4, so 4 into 22, and this 20 into 5 minus, right? So this 5 into 22, say for example 5a, this 4 into 22 is 4a, so 5a minus 4a, what do you get? Minus just 5, just the a, so a is 22, so we got this and this done. I did not multiply this. Why I did not multiply? 22, say for example, I considered as a. So this is 5a. This is minus 4a. 5a minus 4a is just a. In the similar way, 20, for example, this 20 is b and this 20 is also b. So minus 5b plus 4b. Minus 5b plus 4b is just minus b. So I got 20 here. Divide by 20 here, right? So finally 22 minus 20 is 2, divide by 20, so we just cancel out this, so we got 1 by 10 is 0.1. Now is there any option 0.1 in the options? Yes, we have. The first option has 0.1 only. So I must tell you that what we need to understand is, just do the simplified portion. यहाँ मुझे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में और ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता. I just applied a short trick. मैंने 22 को a मान लिया, so that we have 5a and 4a. 5a, 4a, only a. Similar way 4b and minus 5b. So minus 5b plus 4b. Simplify जितना आप कर सकें. दिमाग को एकदम बैलेंस रखिए. आंसर एकदम बैलेंस आएगा. We move on to next question. Here we go. It is SSC CGL Tier 2 question. We need to find root n, right? So first of all, n is what? N is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ka whole square plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now what to apply in this part? So I don't think it will be a big challenge for you, because see, now if you start doing square first, say for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 का whole square निकालना है, multiply this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But before doing that, you must realize that there are similar kind of numbers here, similar kind, right? So let's do something. What I can do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ka whole square plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. Why? This is 45 plus 1 is 46. So I just thought कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 के टर्म्स में एक बार सबको ले आए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 के टर्म्स में, राइट? सिंपल काम करते हैं. Just consider this as a. So it will be like a square plus a plus a plus 1. I can write like a square plus 2a plus 1. If you think of this thing, can I think of a plus 1 ka whole square like this? Because if you open this a plus b ka whole square becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here b is equal to 1, so a square plus 2a plus 1, and that is what we had earlier. So a plus 2a plus 1 can be written as a plus 1 ka whole square. Now again put the value of a, because we consider a as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 ka whole square, and that is equal to the n part. Now what do we need to calculate? We needed root of n, right? So what we'll do is just apply the root on the both sides. So this root and this square is cancelled out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That is the answer. So generally कई बार बड़े क्वेश्चन को देख के कि इसको कैसे करेंगे या कैसे स्क्वायर निकाला जाएगा, यार क्वेश्चन ही भारी है, छोड़ देते हैं. डोंट डू लाइक दिस. जस्ट डू वन थिंग. अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, ऑब्जर्व द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक अ ट्रिक, like is there any formula related to this, and if you do like that, there you go. So we move on to the next question. It happened in SSC, so it may come in any exam. Now 21, question number 21, what does it say? It says that a plus b is 96 and a is half of b. So what is the value of a? I guess a plus b is equal to 96 and a is half of b. That is said. So we want to calculate a. So do one thing. Just put the value of b here. From this part we can say that 2a is equal to b, because b is equal to 2a. This 2 goes here and multiply. So if I put b equal to a, we get a plus 2a is equal to 96. So I can easily say that 3a is equal to 96. So a is equal to 96 by 3. We got 30 and 2. So is there any option in the question is 32? Yes, we do have 32, and that is the answer, my dear friend. Here we go. We go to the next question. Again a simplification bank PO previous year question, question number 22. It says that 1888 divide by 32 divide by 8. So how to proceed? So now we have two divisions. So what to apply when? Because we have two divisions. अगर हम पहले इसको divide कर देंगे तो हमारा आंसर अलग आएगा, पहले इसको divide कर देंगे तो अलग आएगा. So if they are two division in quick succession, first divide these two, and that will be divided by 8, not 32 divided by 8, right? So it's like 1888 divide by 32 divide by 8. Okay, let's do one thing. It's like 18 is 944, because it is 944, and when you divide 32, that is 16. Now divide more further. So 9 is like 8, so 8 is like 4, that 14 is 7, and again 4 is 2, so 472, and here we go 8. So further multiply by 472, right? So we have got 2, then 7 is like 3, then 12 is 6, 236, and we have 4 here. So multiply this by 4 itself. So 23, that is 20, that is 5 times. and 36 is 9 times. So we have got 59. So in that case, we got 59 divided by 8. So 59 when you divide by 8, you get 6 times, 7 times. 7 times is like 56, so we get 3. So for 3, 0, 30, that is 24. So 3 times, then we have got 30 part, 30, right? So for 30, 24 gone, 6 remains. So for 6, we have got 7 times. 7 times is 56, 60, again 4 remains. 4 is 40, that is 5. So 7.375 is the answer. Is there any option like this? That is the first option itself. So what you need to do is calculate this first and then divide by 8. This is the way you need to do. You have to do all the questions like this. Follow BODMAS strictly and left to right if possible. So move on to the next question we do. Here we get a bank recruitment previous year paper question. Let's see how to do these type of questions when the mixed fractions are there. So if there are mixed fraction, what we need to do is 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. See, some of the students asked me earlier how to solve A, B by C. So this is a mixed fraction. Just do one thing. Just multiply C into A, that is A into C, plus B. Just add this, divide by C. So in the similar fashion, 4 into 8 is 8, 4 into 2 is 8, plus 1, 9 by 4. In the similar way, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, minus 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So we need to calculate this, and to calculate this, we need the LCM part. The LCM of 4, 3, 2 is like 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 9 into 3 is 27. We get 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 is 4, 16. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 9 into 6 is 54. So from the BODMAS formula, we add 6 and 7. So 7 and 6 is like 13. Carry 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 43. Minus 54 divided by 12. We have got minus. Why minus? Because this value is bigger. So minus 54 plus 43. So if I do minus 54 plus 43, I get 11 by 12. So finally we have arrived. The answer is minus 11 by 12. I don't know, is there any option like minus 11 by 12? Yes, it is. So question number 43 is, answer is C. So in the similar way you need to do. So let's move on to the next question. Here we go. We have SSC previous year question. Find the value of star in this. So I don't know what is the star. See how to do these type of questions. First write whatever is written. So 1, 2 by 3. Divide by 2 by 7. Into star. So I write it x by 7. 1, 1 by 4. 2 by 3. Divide by 1 by 6. Right? So after writing this, you must know one thing. That first thing we need to do is just simplify these mixed fraction. Convert this mixed fraction into a vulgar fraction, right? So 3 ones are 3 and 2. So 3 2s are 5 by 3. And that divide can be converted into multiplied reverse. Say for example, if I say A by B divide by C by D. So I can very well write it A by B multiplied by D by C. Just reverse this and convert divide into multiply. So what I can do is just 7 by 2 here, and then x by 7 is again there. Now convert this mixed fraction into the fraction. So 4 ones are 4 and 1 5. So we have got 5 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 6 divided first, right? So just calculate this now. From the left and right, if both are on the numerator side, they can be cancelled out. Both are in the denominator side, they can be cancelled out. So easily we can cancel this 3 by 3. We can cancel this by 2. We can cancel these 7. We can cancel these 5. So we can cancel these 2. So here everything is cut, only x is there. Here everything is cut, only 6 is there. So this is why we call this question or these type of question as simplification. Simply cut them and you get the simplified form. So is there any option x is equal to 6? X is equal to 6. Yes, we do have. The value of a star is 6. We move on to the next question. Here we go. Simplify. So I guess this time we have a bigger fraction part of this. So we'll do that. Right. We have got 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4. You must be very much careful of writing, because if you write it carefully and correctly, the answer is in the right direction. Otherwise, there are chances that gol ghum jaoge tum. This is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 of 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 of 4 by 5. So now we have BODMAS ka off and bracket both. So we'll do that both. Okay. So ऊपर वाले portion, that is numerator वाले portion में what we'll do is, ये तो ऐसे रहने देते हैं. First solve or simplify the bracket part. So 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3 is 15. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3 than 2. So 6 minus 5. Here it is. And we have the whole bigger part. Divide by. Now first simplify this mixed fraction. So 3 1s are 3 and 2. 5 by 3. Of is multiplication, so 3 by 4 just cancelled out, minus 1 by 4 into 4 by 5 just cancelled out. We have got 1 by 3 here plus 3 by 4 here, and we have 15. So 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 15 here. So just simplify it by 5 here. Now on the bottom side, that is denominator side, we are left with 5 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So do it in a very simple manner because it is simplification. We'll solve this. 5 into 20. 5 into 4 is 20. So here we go, 20 here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So there is 25 minus 4. That is the bottom portion. What about the above one? So it is like 1 by 3 plus 1 by 20. Okay. So simplify it more. What you get here is 60 at the bottom, and 60 divided by 3 is 20. So 20 is here. 60 divided by 20 is like 3. So 3 is here. Whole divided by 21 by 20. So if it is whole divide, you can do it like multiplication. So what we can do is 23 by 60 into 20 by 21. That is the simplest way. So 6 is cancelled out. This is 3. So we have 23 on the above side. That is the numerator part. And 21 into 3, 63. So 23 by 63, a very odd number, but I don't know. Is that in the option? 23 by 63, 20 by 3 by, yes it is. 23 by 63 is the final answer. So calculate this very easily, very simplified manner, and you will get to the answer fast. Just remember one thing, that calculate very easily. बहुत बड़े बड़े कैलकुलेशन को भी इजी किया जा सकता है, सिंप्लीफाइड मैनर में किया जा सकता है. जस्ट डू दैट एंड वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हियर वी गो. MBA 2006 question. Let's see. We have A plus 2B 6 and AB is equal to 4. So we need to find out 2 by A. Let's see. What does it say? It says 2 by A plus 1 by B. We need to calculate this. Let's try to find out. What we'll do is we put AB here. AB divided by A is A. So 2B plus A. A there, B there. So 2B plus A. Is there anything given like this? 2B plus A is like 6 on the upper side, AB is on the bottom side. So we got 3 by 2. I did not think that it will be so easy. And it was. Sometimes it happens, like question देखने से एक बार लगता है कि यार हाथ लगाएं कि नहीं लगाएं, बहुत टफ हो सकता है शायद, या कहीं अटक जाएंगे हम. मैंने इसको यहाँ से ट्राई करना शुरू किया, यहाँ वैल्यूज पुट करी. आई गेस द सिंपलेस्ट वन, द इजीएस्ट वन. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हियर वी गो. MBA 2007, 87. So A by B is given and we need to find 3A plus 2B. So 3A plus 2B, 3A minus 2B. We have got A by B and there is no A by B. Just trying one thing, I don't know, maybe it will go right or wrong. Just multiply both the upper side and the bottom side by B so that we get A by B in some way. So we get 3A by B plus 2B by B divide by 3A by B plus 2B by B. So B by B gets cancelled out, right? And A by B. A by B was given as 4 by 3. So what we can do is 3 into 4 by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into 4 by 3 minus 2. 3 gets cancelled out, 3 gets cancelled out. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer is 3. I did not think that it will be easy, but I don't know. 3 is there. So here we go. Question number 87. The answer is D, that is 3. Here we go. We move on to the next question. So for the 95 number, let's see what we can do. A by X is given as Y by B is equal to 1. And second portion is B by Y plus Z by C is equal to 1. Now what we need to find is X by A and C by Z. X by A is reverse of this and Z by C, C by Z is reverse of this. Sorry, it is like C. Yes, we write it C here. Now what should we do? Just simplify this first. See, A by X, that can be written as 1 minus Y by B. Then A by X can be written as B minus Y by B. So this I can write as X by A is equal to B by B minus Y. Just reverse both the sides. In the similar way, I can do Z by C is equal to 1 minus B by Y. So what I can do is Z by C is equal to Y minus B divided by Y. So just reversing this, C by Z is equal to Y divided by Y minus V. So here we got X by A is equal to B divided by B minus Y. C by Z is Y divided by Y minus V. So what we need to find out? We need to find out is X by A plus C by Z. X by A plus C by Z. We need to add these two. So just add these two. B minus Y, B, and adding to this is Y divided by Y minus B. So do one thing. Here it is B minus Y, here it is Y minus V. So what we'll do is B minus Y minus Y, B minus Y. That way we have both sides B minus Y. So what I'll do is B minus Y here, and we'll write B here, minus here, and Y here. So B minus Y divided by B minus Y. In a very simplified manner, we got just one. Sare A, B, C, Z sab khatam ho gaye, and we got this only one. So I don't know, is there any option like 1 in the options? Yes, it is. So question number 95, we go with the question and option number C. Here we go. Question number 106, that is 106. It says that how many boxes are required for filling 15 kgs of sweet? So we have in total 15 kgs of sweet, and we have to fill in it each box, and each box is 250 grams. So this amount is in kilograms and 250 is grams. So first thing we'll convert this into grams. So 15,000 grams, right? Now we need to fill into boxes. So if one box can carry 250 grams, just need to divide it by 250 so that we know how much this can carry, right? So 0 gets cancelled. We can write, see, this can be written as 15 into 100 by 25 because now 0 is gone. Now this is directly 4 and 15 into 4, 60. So we need 60 boxes in altogether. Is there any option 60? No 60. That means 106. Answer is none of these. Very simple question, but we need to understand the actual position. See, 15,000 grams is divided into 250 grams ke different boxes. So just divide it out and you get the 60 answer. So we move on to the next question. Here we go. We have question number 111 with us. It is also a previous year question. A canteen requires 798 bananas for a week. So if it is 798 for 7 days, right? Now total how many bananas did it require for the month of January, February and March 2008? Why this 2008 given, right? 2008 was a leap year. So if it was a leap year, February had 29 days. So first calculate how many days we are looking at. We are looking at 31 days, then 29 days, then 31 days. So in total we have 30, 30, 30 and 91 days we are looking at, right? So if it is 7 days for 798, for 1 day, we need how many bananas? 798 divide by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 28, 114. So we got 114 bananas a day. 7 दिन के लिए 798 चाहिए तो 1 दिन के लिए कितने चाहिए? Just divide it out. So we got 114 in total. Now how many days are there? 91. Just multiply 114 into 91. So every day we get 114. In 91 days, how many? So just multiply 4 ones 4. It's like 1 1. 9 4s are 36. Carry 3. 9 and 3. 12. Carry 1. 10. So we got 4. Then 7. Then 3. Then 0. Then 1. 10374. Is there any option 10374? Yes, it is. 10374. This much bananas you need for 1 day. Do you get it? For 91 days. That is January, February, March 2008. We move on to the next question. Here we go. We have a different question altogether from the campus recruitment drive. It says that x is equal to y is equal to 2z. Then xyz is this. Find out x. See, if you talk about xyz is equal to 256, we know it very well. X is equal to y. So we can write x into x by 2 is equal to 256, right? We can call like x, y. Y is equal to x given. If x is equal to 2z, then z is equal to x by 2. So x by 2. What we'll do is x ka cube is equal to 256 into 2. That is 512, right? So we have got x ka cube is equal to 512. Then x is equal to cube root of 512. So we have cube root. So x is equal to cube root of 512. Everybody knows it is 8. So we have got x ki value 8. It was asked x ki value and x ki value is 8. So question number 128 ka answer is C. That is 8. Move on to the next question. Here again a word problem we have. Let's see what does it say. It says the price of 10 chairs is equal to 4 tables. So do one thing. Chairs is C and tables is T. So we can write that 10C is equal to 4T. We are considering that C is the price of a chair and T is the price of a table. Now we know that price of 15 chairs. So we have got 15 chairs plus 2 tables is equal to 4,000. Right? So 4T is equal to 10C. That means 5C equal to 2T. How come? 10C equal to 4T. 10 chairs are equal to 4 tables. So when we just cancel out, it gets 5 and it gets 2. So 5C is equal to 2. So 15C plus 2t. 2t equal to 5c. 5c equal to 4000. Right. So 15 and 5 is 20c is equal to 4000. 0 से 0 cancel, 2 से 2 cancel. Chair की value आ गई 200, right? So if we get chair की value 200, we put 10 into chair की value, that is 200, is equal to 4 into t. 10 into c की value, that is chair की value 200, equal to 40. So 4t is equal to 2,000. T is equal to 2,000 divided by 4, that is 500. So we have got T ki value, we have got C ki value. Now what is asked? Total price of 12 chairs, 3 tables. So we got 12 chairs plus 3 tables ki value nikalni hai, right? Just put all the values. 200. So 12 into 200 plus 3 into 500 is the answer. So 12 into 200 is 2400. Just add 1500 to it. We got 0093. We got 3900 is the total amount. Is there any option like 3900? Yes, it is. Option number D. And that is our answer. So very simplified way, because the chapter is not a simplification. In a very simplified manner, I tried to find out the answer. And in the same manner, you need to do it. We move on to next question. Here we go. Question number 169 we have. So a tank has 2 by 5 full. If we add 16 liters of water, it is the tank becomes 6 by 7 full. The capacity. Do one thing. Total capacity of the tank. Let this is T. T for tank, right? So we know it that 6 by 7 was full. After 2 by 5, when we filled it with 16 liter. So when you subtract this part from this part, you will get 16 liter, because that is the only thing. You have added 16 liter to this to get this. Yes. So we get 60 by 7 minus 2t by 5 is equal to 16. T is total. So total ka 6 by 7 part minus total ka 2 by 5 is 16. So let's solve this. We write 35 here. We write 5 into 6, 30 there. Minus 7 into 2, 14t there is equal to 16. So 30 minus 14t is 16t. Divide by 35 is equal to 16. So it gets there. So total tank capacity, 35 goes there, is 35. So 35 liter is the total capacity. Is there any option like 35 liter? Yes, it is. So very simple question. Do need to frame the equation correct. अगर आपकी equation correct हो जाती है ना, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. So we move on to the next question. Here we go. Question number 181. Let's see what does it say. See, 1/3 of the boys and 1/2 of the girls participated in the social work project, and the number of participating students is say 300. Out of which 100 are boys, right? So in those 300, we have boys, girls. Boys are 100, so for sure 200 is the girls. Now this boys 100 is actually 1/3 of the boys, because 1/3 of the boys participated. So boys upon third is equal to 100 given. So total number of boys 100 into 3 is 300, because 1/3 of the boys, 1/2 of the girls, total becomes 300. So 1/3 of the boys is 100. So 1/3 of the boys is 100. So boys is equal to 300. Now if the boys are 300, then girls are 200. So and that is half of the girls. So half of the girls is 200. So total number of girls is 400. So we have 400 with us. We have 300 with us. What is asked? Total number of students in the college is boys plus girls. So number of boys 300, number of girls 400, Add just both of them, you will get 300 and 400, 700. Here we go with the answer. I think that is the simplest one of those, right? Here we go. Question number 240. What does it say? A classroom of boys is 3 times the number of girls. Which of the following number does not represent the total number of students in the classroom? See, in a classroom, the number of boys is 3 times. Say, for example, the number is X, right? So, if we have boys 3 times the girls. So, say for example, boys is equal to 3 girls. 1 boy is equal to 3 girls, that is 3 times of the girls. So, in total we have, say for example, this is X, so it becomes 3X, right? So, total they are 4 parts, 3 girls, 1 boy, 3 girls, 1 boy. So, total there are 4 parts. So, any number divided by 4 can be the answer. This can be divided by 4, that can be answer. This definitely divided by 4, this definitely divided by 4. But 42 is not divisible by 4. So, it does not represent the total number of students, because anything which is divided by 4 is the answer. 42 is not, so it is not the answer. Here we go. So, we have with us 246, question number 246. Again a basic simplification question. We have with us 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 3. And I need to find out x square plus 1 square, 1 by x square. So, just make whole square on the both side. We get 1 ka square, 1 plus x ka square. Sorry, it is x. I am sorry. So, x ka square plus 1 by x ka square plus 2 into x 1 by x. Why so? A plus b ka whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, it gets cancelled out. The value is 3 square, that is 9. So, we get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, this 2 goes there. So, 9 minus 2, we get 7. So, is there any option 7 in the question? Yes, it is. So, I don't think it is a big question for you all. So, in this way, in this manner, what you need to do is solve as many questions as you can. बहुत सारे questions मैंने रखे हुए हैं. Book में plenty of questions on simplification is given, and simplification is one of the important portions that comes in exam. So, do it honestly. Do all the questions and share this video to maximum students so that everybody gets benefited with this video. If you want to get more benefits out of this video, is do just one thing. Subscribe to the channel S Chand Academy, and you will find that whatever new update we take, we launch, whatever new video solution we launch, you get a notification and directly you can see. You don't miss out a single notification. So, just subscribe to the channel S Chand Academy. Thank you.